every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.
Hey guys, good morning, welcome to a live session with Stock Sniper Trading. We are back in action from post NFP and post Wi-Fi crash from Rogers from last week, and it's looking good so far, guys, so everything's ready to rock. I hope everyone had a good weekend, and you're looking forward to a nice little week. If everyone traded London, guys, I know our group had a pretty good session, saw some of the trades that we took and stuff like that. It's very solid. So with that being said, guys, make sure to check the description box. It's not a buy or sell channel here. We're here to provide very technical and fundamental analysis. Any trades taken upon yourself, okay, make sure not to risk more than 1%. Obviously, scalping is very volatile, as you saw last week from NFP. It doesn't usually happen every single day like that, but again, you can see the volatility that can present itself when you're trading on the 5-minute time frame. All right, so the main goal for us today, guys, is do our top downs on gold, US 30, GU, and then leading into 9 o'clock, 9:15, we'll do a Nasdaq. Okay. Also, guys, please check out the link in the description box. If you're looking for a new broker, check out HankoTrade. Okay, they're a digital cryptocurrency broker, very good. Please check them out. And if you're not unfamiliar with them, just open up a demo account, see if it works best for you, and then go from there. Okay. So with that being said, guys, please, you can see 7:45. We're about to get rolling here. We're going to do a top down on US 30, gold, and then GU. Okay, so I can see US 30 right here is looking pretty good. Okay, you can see obviously on the daily we have a nice little trend that we're still holding. Okay, so that's a positive sign, but there's a lot of bottom wicks, okay, which can act as resistance up here. Okay, and then we might be able to fill these bottom wicks coming down in some bearish momentum. Okay, so with that being said, let's just do top downs and see what we get on the 5 minutes. So I'm really looking for, you know, some demand in and around this area right here. Okay, it's the last pretty much 6 candles. You can see recently we've closed doji, very low volume candles here compared to what we've been used to. All right, so just gonna make this nice little green demand box. Okay, and then we'll go from there. So let's take a peek, move it down just a tad. All right, now we're gonna use a red box for some supply. You can see pretty straightforward that in and around this area sellers have been in control, okay, with a nice supply area on the daily. Okay, all right, so just open this up a bit. Let's get daily support and resistance now. Okay, so I have some daily resistance here. Just gonna update this text to white so you guys can see it. All right, daily resistance, perfect, guys. Okay, so my daily support, all right, I'm kind of looking at this bottom wick right here. You can also use previous structure. Okay, so just slide it over there. So daily support. Okay, let's take a look at our 4-hour now. If you like to put daily resistance at this candle close and the wick open, you're more than welcome to do that too. All right, let's take a peek at our 4-hour here. All right, we'll add moving averages on in a bit, like everything like that a little bit later. Okay, so I can see my resistance on the 4-hour was once acting as support to the left. Okay, so let's add our 4-hour resistance. And then I'm going to look for my 4-hour support, which is starting to show in and around here. You can see the multiple closes above this level, roughly 31,185. Okay, so 4-hour support. Okay, let's take a peek at our hourly. So I see some hourly resistance coming here, obvious. It's the big bearish candlestick that has been probably the second biggest in the whole chart so far, previous to this one. Okay, so hourly resistance is coming in and around that 31,280. Okay. Now you can see our hourly support just below the 4-hour. Oh, guys, there it goes. I want to get down here so bad. Let's finish this. US 30 might act a little bit of a dump here. You can see that close. And testing on the 4-hour again. Okay, so that's a good sign for us if we're looking short. Okay, if not, they might pick up some volume here. All right, you can see how an engulfing candlestick. This is on the 15-minute, guys. Okay, so an engulfing candlestick, price is slowly starting to push down, but they're finding that 4-hour support. I want to see if we're going to break level here and maybe start to fill, the 1 hour and then 31,120. Okay, if not, we're going to hold this general area here. You can see this is a pretty key level of support. A lot of support in and around this area for buyers. Okay, we might be able to push it all the way back up to maybe the 4-hour high. Okay, but we'll watch, wait, and see. Let's take a look at our 15-minute rejection resistance area right here. Okay, let's take a peek now. Try to find our 15-minute support. All right, I'm looking in and around here, but price already broke through, so I'm just going to probably gather it right down here below wick. Previous structure right here, okay? Let's take a peek now at our 5-minute, guys. In the trap in and around where we're at. Five-min resistance. Okay, that'll change obviously and fluctuate. So remember we talked about short-term demand. You can see price is already starting to fold. Okay, you can see coming here, it tried to break down. Okay, would have been a nice card hand if it would have folded right below here, sold off below the 4-hour. You can see the buyers are starting to pick up some volume around that 31,170. Okay, so this will be interesting to see. I'm going to set one alarm right here just in case we do get back. Okay, and then my key level I'm looking for, I'm going to slice and add one right here. Okay, so we got a nice support level that is holding. Okay, and now a nice resistance level that we're going to get a nice little tap if we get in around this area. So guys, if it breaks below here though, I'm looking to take a short below, maybe get into down the 15-minute, but we'll watch and see here. It might pick up some volume and then push to the upside again. Okay, you can see that we are nice sell pressure here, but I do notice these key levels as potential reversal areas. Okay, and I don't mean clean reversal like that the market is going to completely change. I mean, you might have your short-term pullbacks. Obviously on the 5-minute it's going to look good. Okay, so let's just monitor this, take a peek at gold. Okay, so you can see on gold here, guys, we're right at that support level, just a little bit above. Okay, I'm not going to look at getting supply and demand on gold. I'm just going to get some support and resistance here. Okay, so I have some daily support, and then one wick if we do break down there. Okay. So that'll be my daily support. Okay, and then I have daily resistance. Okay, guys, we'll go check out US 30 right now. I'm looking at daily resistance right up here. We'll come right back to gold. Okay, guys, so if it breaks down here, all right, it's right before the 5-minute, so it's a little bit riskier. Okay, but this does look like a nice potential drop off, coming maybe down and filling this wick to the bottom here. All right, just want to see how price is going to move. You can see we're coming into the next 5-minute candle here. This looks pretty bearish so far. Okay, so let's watch and see. We want to see a clean little retest here in demand, but overall target, we're looking for maybe to get to down in and around here. So let's just watch, wait for the first 5 minutes for this candle to close, wait for the new hourly to come into play here, guys. If it does reverse and sell off, don't worry, we'll catch another move. Okay, I just want to finish up gold here. Guys, if TradingView is having a lag or whatever it may be, obviously contact TradingView. Alright, let's go to our 4-hour now. See some nice 4-hour support level. Right before our daily coming in. Okay, looking for 4-hour resistance now here. Okay, pretty straightforward across the line. The wicks I've tried to break above. You can see gold push back down. So 4-hour resistance area right at that 1745 mark. Okay, pretty key area here. I do think we can probably fill this level, get back down to 1730. Okay, so let's take a peek at the hourly, so we're moving. Okay, nice hourly resistance coming in and around that 1737. Okay, so coordinates, let's mark that up. Okay, and I can see my support level just below hand, and you can see all the way to the left its previous structure here. Structure hold, structure wick hold, and now we're bouncing again right there at 1733.5. Okay, so that'll be my 1-hour support. Take a peek at the 15. Okay, 37. Let's just move this over here. So 37, perfect. Let's take a peek at our hourly now. Okay, sorry, that's 15, my apologies. 15. Okay, and now I'm looking at my 15-minute support level, which is the previous wick right here. Okay, holding that key level right now, 1734. So 15-min support. And we'll drop to the 5, guys. Okay. Alright, so you can see we just done gold US 30 here right before. We got about a minute and 40 seconds until the new hourly candle opens up 8 a.m. Alright, if we do break this hourly low, guys, you can see 1733. Price can, if we're coming to our 4-hour, come all the way back down to 1730. Okay, so let's just watch. Nice little trend starting to form here. US 30 found some support. Thanks, guys. Watch for the new hourly candle to open. See how this is going to move. Okay, there's US 30 here. Still a lot of volume pushing down. Okay, we don't have much news today either, guys. We'll go over that in 1 second. I just want to see how this new hourly candle opens up for US 30 and gold. Okay, so previous structure, you can see they're holding. Nice buyers are coming in. You can see the RSI a little bit oversold here, starting to show not below RSI. Okay, let's take a peek at the moving averages here. I think we're hovering right around these two. Okay, so we are below the 200. You can see that, but we're below the 9 at the current time period as well. Okay, so here's the new hourly candle here. Okay, so let's take a peek one time at gold too. Okay, so gold is trying to push to the upside a little bit. All right, you can see the momentum is slow here, a lot of low volume. All right, you can see the types of candles here: spinning top, spin top, so indecision right now. So we might get gold going off at 45, 8, so not 45, first 15-minute candle, so 8:15. There we go. Okay. Guys, in about the first 5 minutes after this, we're going to take a look at GU as well. Okay, so nice consolidation break we're looking for now. Okay, let's take a peek now on the hourly, guys. See how we're looking at these. New hourly opened up. A little bit of indecision right now, still holding below that 9 EMA. Okay, long top wick to the upside here. That's got pushed up at 6 a.m. Okay, now you can see it closed below and still trying to find that level of resistance here. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go to the 5. Okay, so gold getting that little resistance, same as US 30 here. Let's just monitor this. We are in a nice consolidation area for gold, with a little bit of an uptrend starting to form. Okay. So I think US 30 might get a nice little sell-off here, guys. Let's just watch. If we break here on US 30, guys, I might take a little bit of a short here. Okay, we'll watch. Okay, so the buyers are starting to come in here. The only way I'm looking for an opportunity for buy in US 30 is if we close above this 9 EMA. So right now it's looking at this support level, which would probably be 5 minute or 15. Okay. Got 2 more minutes, then we'll take a look at GU. Okay. Okay, so price of gold is starting to get above that 1735 mark. Okay, there's a long wick right up here, can be filled. We just want to watch and see how the first 5 minutes starting to move. Okay, let's take a peek at gold on time on the hourly. A lot of wicks, guys. Okay, so let's watch and see. Yeah, and exactly, NFP wicks. Okay, so here's the first 5 minutes, guys. We'll take a peek just how gold starts to open up, and we'll take a look at US 30, and then we'll look at GU as well. Okay. Okay, so remember we talked about a short below US 30. Let's watch and see how it's going to make a move here. They're still holding it pretty nice, and that long wick can be filled. Okay. Okay, so there you go. There the buyers starting to come in. Let's watch and see. Guy's not topless here, just got a long sleeve on. Got a long sleeve on here. Nice athletic clothing. Okay, so no sells just yet, guys. No sells, you can see it. Holding. Alright, let's go take a look at GU now, guys. Monitor everything. There we go. GU looks pretty good for a short-term buy here. Let's watch. Alright, so here we go, guys. Gonna look at GU here. Pretty straightforward. Okay, I'm not gonna add some demand. I'm just gonna add support and resistance. So daily support. Okay, and I see some daily resistance coming in here. Pretty strong. Alright. Let's take a look at our 4 hour, which is going to be the top and bottom of here. Looking like a nice M pattern on GU. Okay, so nice support level here. So we got 4 hour support. Okay, and then some 4 hour resistance right up here. Gold is selling hard. We'll take a peek at it. Alright. If we don't get GU done, guys, it is what it is. Gold is not selling crazy hard here. It's just getting into a short-term opportunity. Nice rejection there. Okay, so I'm not really selling hard, guys. That's an engulfing candlestick. It's something good to know. Alright, price starts to break that 15-minute support coming to the hourly. I do think we can get this hourly maybe break. Very similar to US 30. Okay, so US 30 is finding that level of support. Okay, so let's finish up GU here. It's good to know these two. Still only 809. I'm watching for at least 815 coming in. Let's go to the 4 hour. Gold doesn't sell hard. I do beg to differ on that one. If you watch that NFP candle on Friday, that thing jumped like 80 pips in 30 seconds. So I do know it does sell hard. Maybe not all the time, but when it wants to, it does. Okay, so let's take a peek at the hourly now. Okay, beautiful here. Alright, seeing my hourly support level. Multiple wick taps. Okay, then we're going to our hourly resistance. Just right up here. Okay, and we'll take a peek at 15-minute. GU looks like it's still selling off, guys. Nice strong 15-minute trend here. Breaks this level of support. She's coming back down. Okay. We have over here key level of structure that price has bounced in and out of multiple times. You can see. Okay, we do have a nice bottom wick here. If it does want to break. Alright, we'll watch. Okay. And then I'm looking for 15-minute support here. And I can see some 15-minute resistance coming up right here. We have a nice little bit of a gap down here. 15-minute resistance. Okay, and we'll go to the 5, and we'll work out the 5. There we go. Okay, so right now, nice consolidation here. Okay, so let's watch and see how we're going to move. Let's take a peek now at everything else here. I'm going to just mark, there we go. So we'll take a peek at US 30 here. So it's pumping up, yep. Short term. So if we get past that 31200, guys, maybe take a short little buy opportunity here. Watch and see. Okay, we'll take a peek at gold 35. Holding that level of support. Okay, everything's looking pretty good right now. If we break this level right here, guys, at 1736.5. Okay, looks like a good opportunity for a buy here. We'll watch. Okay, nice little indecision areas for both US 30, gold, and GU. Okay, it's coming to that 8:15 time, guys. Okay, 8:15, first 15 minute of the hourly candle. Okay, so you can see they're attempting to break right here. Look at the previous support level they had. So this is a strong resistance, guys. This is very strong. I want to take a look at the 15. Okay, let's take a look at the 5 minute. We'll take a look at the DXY too, guys. But if we break above here, I might take a short buy at 31200. We'll see how it's going to move. Just got to get the momentum going though. Okay, we need more volume pumping in than this. You can see it's very slow. It's Monday. Not much is happening at this current time. Coming into about just under 1 minute, guys. So we're going to stick with this. Okay, so new candles coming up in just under 25 seconds, guys. Just watch and see how it's going to close. All right, don't enter in just automatically. Watch and see. Okay, let's take a look at gold. Okay, gold might pump a little bit bullish too. GU is rolling. Let's take a peek at it. Thanks, Rob. Okay, nice little engulfing candlestick pumping out of the range. We'll watch and see how this is going to move here. Okay, so I like this, guys. Here's 8:15. Okay, so US 30 is still in decision right now. GU has just had a nice engulfing candlestick coming out from the last 5 minute candlestick. Let's watch and see how this is going to move. Okay, going to find a support level at the current doji candle. Okay, we're going to take a peek at, there's 1735 on gold. Okay, a little indecision right now too. And then you can see US 30 as well. Okay, so see how they pushed it right below the 31200? Nothing yet, just a little bit of a wick here. Okay, still opportunity for price to get out of this consolidation. We got to watch and see. Okay, we're at 36. Okay, guys, at 36.50 is coming. Let's watch and see how this is going to move. Okay, you can see we're getting a top wick here. Let's watch and see. Okay, a little bit of an indecision candle here. Let's take a peek at that US 30. Okay, no close above here. You can see it's a little bit of rejection coming back down. All right. Let's take a peek at GU. Okay, GU looks pretty strong here, guys. I like what we have here on GU. Let's just add an alarm right here. Okay, a little bit of a wick down on gold. See US 32. Everything's kind of indecision right now, guys. A little slow. Okay, GU's right at that 1736.5. Tempting again. So we're getting above here. We're just watching to see if we get a hold, guys. 1737 would be a nice little area as well. We're just breaking above the 50. Okay, a little bit of a top wick here to see. $17.37, guys. If we get past here, that'll be my little potential buy entry on gold. Okay, looking to fill that top wick, guys. Got a little bit of a wick to the left here. So 39, almost 1740. You can see the big dump on gold. That's why you watch for the mini. Don't just buy right away, guys. See what I mean? Watch for candles to close. Look at that huge push down on gold. I bet you GU is the same. Look at US 30, guys. There we go. I'm in a small US 30 buy here, guys. We'll watch and see how it's going to move. There's US 30 approaching a little bit. I just moved it over to this candle bottom right here. So gold is huge sell, guys. Look at this thing. We'll come back. I think gold is going to break that 15-minute, guys. I do. Looked very strong for an opportunity for a short here overall. Okay, but let's just watch and see on US 32. There we go. Slowly but surely, guys. Let's see if we can get a walk to the upside here. Okay, guys, I've secured some of this and left a runner. All right. There we go. Is anyone in US 30 with me on this? Okay, don't get greedy here, okay? Look to secure when you can. This thing is pumping a little bit higher, slowly but surely. Okay, you can see what I mean. A little bit of rejection coming in. Don't get greedy. Secure when you can. Okay, gold's making a push. We'll go check out gold back at 1736. Grab US 30 when you can, guys. Okay. Move your stop loss to close, break even. Ooh, guys, look at gold here. Holy shit. If we break 1737, guys, if we break this level right here, that was a huge vol. Yeah, look at this thing go. This thing looks beast, guys. So US 30 is right back at break even now. Okay, you can see it's getting a little bit of push down. 15-minute right after, guys. All right. So I'm still on my US 30. Got a little bit of a buy here. So we'll take a peek at GU. Okay, GU still holding pretty strong here, guys. Okay, so nice long wick, and you can see it didn't break above even higher. Push right back down. We'll see if we're going to get a nice little potential wick fill, maybe continuation the next minute or so. Okay, let's take a peek at Goldie here. Look at this, guys. Indecision on gold. Okay, US 30 is looking good. Here's the new candle open up, guys. This is going to be the retest candle here for the continuation or the overall rejection. All right. I didn't touch gold. Okay, just strictly watching on US 30. So here's the rejection on US, guys. Okay. Let's see what's going to happen based on leading into this 5-minute candle. I see a little bit of a resistance starting to form at that 31200. Okay, but the nice trend is still holding. So we're going to see if we're going to hold this before making an overall decision on what's going to happen here. Okay. Okay, 15 pips in and out. Beautiful. Look at gold. Oh, guys. Ay. Oof, guys, that was an oof moment here. Did you guys see that long wick on gold? That thing was dirty. Welcome to the gold plays. This is why I'm very careful with gold right after NFP, guys. Right after NFP, there's a lot of hesitation and indecision here. Guys, I'm running about 3 pips drawdown on US 30, just FYI. Okay, a little bit of sell pressure here. Okay, if it breaks below that 5-minute resistance, it's up to you. All right, whether you want to secure the trade or, let it run. Okay, don't let it drop below that 4-hour support though. Like I said, small lot size. I still think it's still holding above that trend. We'll watch and see in about 3 minutes. Okay. Okay, GU just turned with gold, makes sense. Okay. Take a look at gold here, right at that 34 mark. Wow. Look at GU and gold, guys. Both heavy bullish showing and then mad rejection coming in. Okay, US 30 still hovering around in there. Okay, it's still right around entry, not doing too much fluctuation. Still there, holding above that trend. Okay, gold might be one of those days, guys. We've had these before where gold is a little bit of indecision, but I do like this sell opportunity if we break this right here. $1733.5. Okay, I like the sell coming down to 1730. Okay. If we hold here, guys, price can, like I said, get right back up here. Okay, right back down there. It's indecision right now. I don't like these areas. Okay, US 30 is back running in. Look at Goldie. Okay, so nothing below there. You can see a lot of top and bottom wick. Okay, let's take a peek at GU. Oh, there we go, guys. Finding that level. Okay, let's take a look at the hourly RSI Divergence, see if price is going to hold here. It looks pretty strong, guys. You can see all these bottom wicks that keep tapping it up. Indecision rate at that 15 minute. Let's take a look at the hourly. Okay, let's reset our chart. Nice resistance here. Long bottom wick to be filled on hourly. Is any divergence? A little bit of divergent play here, not too much. Okay, but price of gold has held this 1734, 1735 area for quite some time. Multiple touches, even at July 6th. Okay. Let's see, guys. Let's see if we can get some gold buys in here. All right. Is it gold in here? Let's watch and see. Oh, guys, look at this. Look at this. We're going to do NAS 100 a little bit closer to market open, guys. US 30 is back running 5 pips. Okay, GU just dumped, guys. Let's take a peek at GU. She's gone. Look at GU, guys. Broke the level of support here. Continued. All right. It's coming into 830. Here we go. Let's bet your gold is going to do something very similar, guys. So we missed GU. Here we go. Let's see, guys. Could I do some more breathing into the mic? It's actually the wind, guys. I got a fan behind me. And if you don't like my breathing, that means I'm not alive. There's a coffee swallow just for that. Oh, GBP chef, guys. Eat those pips. Woo! Guys, that GBP chef, she's money. Let's go take a look at that. I'm hyperventilating. I don't know if that's what hyperventilating is. I'm not too sure about that. Members, guys, eat those pips on that GBP chef. Boom, boom, boom. Don't get greedy here. Okay, Goldie's still hovering in around, guys. Still not doing much on gold. So US 30 here. Little bearish too, so went back up, gave you multiple opportunities. Then you can see it's starting to sell off here. So let's watch and see. My next momentum will be right here for 4-hour support on US 30. Let's take a peek. Okay, gold's right back at 1735. GU's still a little bit in that sell pressure here. Okay, so let's watch and see, guys. If we break this hourly support, we're coming down to the daily. I like this a lot. Okay, showing oversold territory here, but let's take a look at the 15-minute. I like this a lot right now, guys. What do you guys think on GU? Do you guys think GU is going to run, or is it going to go bearish and break this level right here? It's at a critical support, guys. Dump, weak break support. It looks that way, but we'll watch and see. It's oversold right now, guys, so you might have this short-term retracement coming up. All right, so let's just watch and see here if we're going to get any more buyers kick in or the sellers are going to take over and hold the control. Okay, so you can see it's picking up some volume here. Goldie's just indecision. I don't like gold ones like this. I bet you at around 45, 945, we will get into more of a move on gold. Okay, so you can see US 30 heavy sell-off here, guys, coming back to that 4 hour. All right, if we break here, this is looking pretty promising below. Okay, let's watch and see. Okay, guys, so if we break here on US 30, I'm taking a short. Okay, guys, let's see how this is going to move here. I want to wait till the new candle coming in. We got about just 1 minute. Okay, here we go. Just under 30 seconds, guys. Let's watch. Okay, here we go. New candle's going to open up right now, guys. Okay, so new candles opening up, guys. No selling pressure just yet. Here's the retest. Okay. I don't see a sell, guys. I don't know what you're talking about that one. Okay, guys, I took that short there. We're going to see how far it's going to go. Okay. There we go, guys. Anybody with me? There we go. I got in at 31140 a little earlier. There we go, guys. Beautiful. Let's go. Is anyone with me on US 30, guys? This is the break of the structure I mentioned to you. TP would be, I would be aiming for here, okay? But I'd be looking for the 15-minute for next, okay? So that's a beautiful mark. Let's see if we can get a continuation here. It's around about 20 pips. We dumping, guys. The head fake of the buys was, it was obvious. We're trying to pick up some volume here. Okay, overall sell structure is still continuing. Okay, don't get greedy here, guys. For real. The buyers can come into play here. Okay. Oh, look at what I mean. So secure when you can. All right. I just gathered 90% of this trade and left a runner here. Okay, there we go. Gold is still dancing around, guys, so just let it move for a sec here. See how it's just consolidating? I'm watching the number fluctuate on note here. Okay, there's GU. Getting a little rejection here, US 30 still. What do you guys think? I have people saying go long with gold here. Do you think we should just buy gold and hold? What are you guys thinking? Let me know. I'm leaving gold alone personally, just like asking you guys. Okay, so here's the pickup of US 30 here. Let's see if we're going to fill that wick. We can trade US 30 Nasdaq, no issues, guys. We don't really need to trade gold. Honestly, the only reason why we trade gold is just because there's a lot of people who used to like trading it until they realized Nasdaq and US 30. You know what I mean? So, Ali, I agree. I like the gap down wick fill on gold, but we'll watch and see if that's going to actually come into play. Ooh, guys, there we go. Beautiful. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Nice. Nice. Yes, guys. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice drop. Did you guys hold the runner here? Beautiful wick fill, guys. 90% secured, still running. Okay, let's see if we can get the top of the 15-minute. Guys, I'm going to run and grab a quick coffee refill here. Okay? I had a one-on-one this morning and I'm exhausted. So just give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm not going to leave. When I come back, we'll do Nasdaq obviously at around 9, but I'll give me like 2 seconds. Let me just go refill this cup of coffee. Okay? Hey guys, so you can see US 30 finding a little bit of support there above that hourly. Okay, so monitor this. I think it's still gonna maybe tap that 15-minute support, but we'll watch and see. Let's take a peek at where gold is at. Back at that. Look at this, guys. Look at this gold. Indecision like crazy. We got just after 49 to 45, guys. You can see it. Look at these wicks here. Exactly. And look at this. So, yeah. This is what you stay away from. I do think gold is still going to sell here, so we'll watch and see. GU is starting to pick up a little bit of volume. Okay. What kind of candle is this here, guys? Coming down off a huge downtrend. We're going to see here. Okay, G looks pretty strong, guys, so far. Let's watch. Let's watch and see what's going on with GU here. Okay. So if we get around this area, guys, we'll look for the nice critical move on GU. Let's watch and see. Just going to add a where's that psychological number here? $19250, I think it is. Yeah, there it is. The quarter, the half number. Okay, so let's watch and see what's going to happen over there. If we get a close above here, guys, I might take a short-term buy over there. Let's take a look at the 9. Okay, it's getting a nice rejection right here. Okay, so back at US 30, let's take a peek. Okay, so US 30 picked up some volume here, guys. Okay, you can see it's now testing that 9 EMA. Let's see the DXY here, how this is kind of correlating with the DX. All right. Look at the high, guys. We made a almost 108, guys. Almost 108. Okay, we pretty much just missed it by less than a pipette. 998 is what we tapped. Okay. This is insane. If you guys look that on the daily here, we haven't tapped this in... Let's go take a peek. You guys can see I don't really erase anything here. Let's go take a look at the weekly one more time. When was the last time we were in and around this area? Nice cup and handle here. Let's go to the monthly. Okay, guys, so you can see here 2001, 2002. Okay. All right, so if we're right now approaching 2002, I guess you could say highs. This would be lows. Okay. So this is pretty crazy right now, guys. We are witnessing history, and if it still pushes up, guys, this thing can get all the way up to, like I said, maybe not 120, but we'll watch and see. But the next target, if we do get above, is 111, 110. Okay, those are big. Those are big gaps, guys. Those are big moves. All right, so let's just monitor, see how US 30 is looking like. Okay, holding nice support. Pushing right back down. Okay, let's take a peek at gold. Go back at 37 here. Oh, here we go. Nice double bottom here, guys. If we break that 37, this is a beautiful double bottom here, guys. Okay, so opened up, candle rejection here. Here's the retest on the neckline, guys. Okay, nice buy on gold here, nice steady uptrend. See how they didn't drop below here, guys? Okay, if we hold above here now, you get that neckline retest. Let's watch and see how this is going to move, okay? See if US 30 sprouted up a bit too. Not too much at this time, just a little bit over. Okay, so we'll focus on gold for a little bit. Let's watch. Got about 4 minutes until the new 4-hour candle here, guys. Let's add more of a whole number here. Okay, so monitor this rejection point right here. That's 38 rough area. Okay, still that indecision mode right now. Okay guys, so here we come, the new hourly and 4-hour candle here. If we can get up to there, that's a nice move. To about 18, that wick fill will be about 20 pips. Okay, 25, we get a nice little sprout up here. We'll watch and see. I want to see the new candle open up first. Okay, very slow motion, guys. Okay, just under 1 minute. Let's take a peek. US 30 here, slowly picking up some volume. Okay. Just under 1 minute now, guys. Okay, this is going to be the 4-hour candle. We're going to do Nasdaq in this time area. Okay, and then we got the market open coming in. And a lot of volume is slow, guys, because of NFP that happened last week, right? So we're leading in. There's not much news today. Okay, so here's the new 4-hour candle coming in, guys, in about 9 seconds. This is going to be 9 a.m. Here we go. Okay, both are kind of selling off, holding that level of support, coming down to 37. Okay, let's take a peek at US 32. Slowly starting to find some volume here, guys. A little bit of wick rejection coming below that 31180. Okay. Gold is still holding here. Okay, so nice rejection coming in. Okay, so nothing closed above here on gold. On the new 4-hour, it switched, guys. Okay, new 4-hour, it switched. Let's see what's happened with US 32. Still a little bit of indecision on US 30 here. Holding above, looking pretty strong. Okay, everything kind of reversed after 4-hour. You guys can see that. It looked very strong here. Okay, then you can see new 4-hour switched, and then you can see everything kind of flipped from going in their overall momentum that they had so far. And we're going to see what kind of continuation we're going to get at the first 15-minute candle, guys. Okay, GU looks pretty good too. Let's take a peek at GU here. Okay, so you see how we got closed below that 19250. Okay, nice psychological number here. It's a quarter. All right, a whole would be 19500. Let's see if we're going to hold this overall trend. Okay, so GU, guys, coming right back down. Ooh, she's bleeding hard, guys. Look at this. Let's see what we can get. Picking up some volume here. You can see buyers are in and around here. See what kind of continuation we can get. Okay, so coming into the first 5-minute close, guys, we got about 9 seconds here. Let's see how this is going to move. Okay, guys, here we go on GU. New 5-minute. Let's take a look at gold and US 30 here. Okay, still holding that trend. Okay, gold is pushing right back up. US 30's in buys right now, guys. Okay, see the formation. I'm looking at taking another opportunity for the buy in and around here. Okay. Maybe not. This might form a double top here, but we'll watch and see. Okay, so that would be, I'm not taking this right now, but that would be a nice little opportunity for a buy here. Okay, if it goes, that's where we once bought the price. Okay, so we're going to see if it's going to have a continuation. Okay, so GU got rejected. Okay, here we go. 1737, guys. Let's watch and see here. Another head fake or pump. This is what we want to see. Okay, right back at that 1737.5. You can see that's a key wick. You can see previous structure here has turned into a little bit of a push, pull, close, volume, close below, and you can see it's starting to walk to the downside now. Okay, it's right around that 200. You can see it's coming near here. You might be able to get a close tap maybe in the next little bit. If not, this is going to keep selling off, guys. There's a strong resistance area right here, okay? Okay, GU looks like it's breaking down. Let's go take a peek at GU right at the bottom here. So guys, I might take a short little GU bottom out here. You can see price look really good. Let's watch. RSI can show we can still get below here. Okay, so let's get for, if you missed initially right here, let's just watch, see the 1-900 psychological. Okay, so RSI is there, good. Okay. Guys, I'm looking for a GU sell below here if we break. There we go. See if we can get a hold. It pierced through it. That's the first sign that's nice for me. Okay. Okay, beautiful. Okay, let's see if we can get a close below here, guys. So psychological. Here we go. Okay, let's take a peek at Goldie now. 1736. All right, still holding above, guys. All right. Okay, let's see GU2. no confirmation close below. You can see just wick down so far. Give it about 3 minutes and we'll see what kind of move we're going to get below. Okay, originally we're looking for a nice breakdown. You can see it is still over, a little bit of divergence spotted here. Okay, but we want to close below here. You see how it just broke with the wick? We need a confirmation, something closing below here to show it is going to continue. Okay, ideally that's what you would like. All right, if not, this area might find some support level, and then it might push right back to the upside here, maybe that hourly, 15-minute, and maybe get to the 4 hour. So watch and see here, just under 3 minutes, guys. This is going to lead into 9:15. Okay. Okay, let's go check out US 30 here. I haven't looked at that in a bit. Okay, little rejection coming right back down. Okay, let's see if we can gather here. Okay, so just under a minute here. See if we get below that trend. Okay, gold is just dancing, guys, still in that indecision mode. See, horrible trading on gold right now. See GU. Okay, so right hovering around that mark. 1 minute until 9:15. That's what I wanted to see right here, guys. We're going to go take a peek at Nasdaq right after this, and then we'll go from there. Guys, is anyone still having problems with TradingView? Here's the new 15-minute candle, guys. Is anyone still having problems with TradingView? Obviously, you guys see I'm doing it fine. All right, I'm not too sure about everyone else though. The reason I'm saying this is quite a few people actually put in the group. Okay, so you can see the new 15-minute candle here starting to open, guys. Let this thing kind of play out. All right, let's take a look at gold here, back at 36. US 30 is kind of indecision right now too. Look at this, is ugly right now. Let's go to US 30 here. Okay, still a little bit of indecision. Okay, drop down in. All right, you can see it's now hovering right back up. So very slow moving market today. So let's go take a look at Nasdaq, guys. Okay. Probably do Nasdaq for market open. This is kind of pretty much what we've been similarly scalping for everything else. So that's already in some supply from last week. Let's just remove this. Go to the daily here, guys. Okay, so we're above the 9. Where's the 200? Just check it quickly on the daily so we're both aware. Okay, we are below. Looking like a nice W pattern here. All right, are we going to have the momentum to push? We'll watch and see. So let's just erase this 9. Okay, so we're going to watch and close and do our top down from this area right here. Okay, so I like some supply. Okay, looking for some demand area as well, just below. Okay, we'll find our support and resistance here. That's a far off ways, guys. That's 11,600. Okay, that's a huge drop if anything like that were to happen. All right. So for me, so I'm just going to update this with our top down daily. Okay, I can see daily resistance coming in at the top wick. Okay, I'm going to find some daily resistance now. Okay, and daily support. Perfect. Okay, let's drop it now down to our 1 click bar here, 4-hour time frame. There we go. Ooh, guys, a little bit of a symmetrical triangle starting to form here. You can see we're coming down. All right, and you can see that the volume is still holding strong. Okay, we're coming in nice. This is going to be a pop or drop, obviously, but we're right in the coming to an apex here on the 4-hour for Nasdaq. All right, so let's go to our 4-hour support. Okay, and we're looking at our 4-hour resistance now coming in. Okay, let's take a peek at the hourly. Okay, nice hourly support forming. Let's just erase that one here. Use this one instead. Our support here. Let's look at our hourly resistance to the left, the top of these bearish candlesticks right here. That one right there. Okay, so 1 hour resistance. What are you guys feeling for market open? You guys want to do US 30 Nasdaq? What are you guys feeling today? I think we're going to do Nasdaq just because we just did it here. So a lot of people like US 30. Nasdaq because tech. Well, we'll see. We'll do another little poll right before. Look at the consolidation here, guys. This is not good. Okay, so we got 15-minute resistance. All right, and then I'm looking at my 15-minute support level here. And we're going to get our 5-minute coming in. Okay, move that down. Okay, let's take a peek at our 5 now. Okay, just gonna update this real quick. Okay. Okay, you can move 15-minute support up here, guys, if you want. I just did it right there because on the time frame it looked like a nice level. Okay. Got my 5-minute support here. Okay, let's go take a look at where resistance now coming in. Resistance. Okay. All right, guys. So we consolidated here. Let's go take a peek at everything else. Give it a little bit of time. Okay, gold is back to 1737 here. Nice, still rise. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness, this is horrible. Okay, I don't know if we're going to get a pump through here, guys. We'll watch and see. Okay, let's see. GU is right at approaching that sell level here. Okay, so it's right at that 19,000 mark. Okay. Very choppy today, guys. 922. That's why you're just very cautious with everything you do. US 30 was nice. Nice little opportunities here. Nice moving, commission free, which is what you want to go for. Gold, when you realize that things are like this, you just kind of stay away. On the hourly on GU, guys, it's a big M pattern here. Just to show you, let's take a peek. Price can still hold though, very similar to gold. Okay, so you can see we're coming to that area. Price has had some buyers before, but let's just see if we can get that little breakdown, maybe tap that daily. Okay, we went from 4-hour all the way to daily, so we got to see if we're going to get that continuation here. We got about 7 minutes. Okay, until that news coming out. Sorry, not news, till about market open. That's my apologies. Okay, Goldie. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Ay. Go to US. A lot of choppy movement even on US 30, guys. Looks like a nice double bottom here. Okay, inverse head and shoulder. We got 1 more minute, then we'll make a decision. We got 12 seconds left, guys. Okay, as I'm still in gold on that buy I was in that entire time, we're going to see how it goes. Nice parallel channel here. Okay, making its move. We'll see if we're going to get a nice little push or pull. Okay, so nice resistance still at that 1737, guys. Okay. Doesn't look like it's going to break that level, guys. It's had multiple tests now. This is the third, almost fourth attempt. Majorly, you can see the neckline here that would have been the nice double bottom. Okay. You can see rejection, rejection, double rejection here, double rejection here. It's a very strong area, but they've been attempting to break it for quite some time. So let's just watch and see here how this is going to move. Okay, got that 926, guys. We're going to take a look at US 32. Okay, it's kind of in limbo right now. Okay, let's see. We'll take a peek at GU too. Okay, GU looks like it's kind of selling off here again. Let's watch. There we go, guys. I'm running about 5 pips on GU right now. Let's see how far we can get. I did a 0.25 feeler lot. See how this is going to move. Okay, this will be 10 pips right here, guys. Okay, so we'll see if we can get at least maybe close to 10 pips on the drop. Okay, if not, if we can make it all the way down here, obviously you're looking at more of a move of like 25. Okay, that's a big move here. You can see that the volume is still pretty strong. We need to close below. All right. So just to show you guys, let's watch and see how it's going to move. Okay, 2 minutes, guys. Just under 1 minute. 1 second here. Okay, so monitor this. We'll just flip over to Nasty here. Oh, guys, this is not looking juicy at all. US 30 was a better. Don't. That's what I mentioned about buying, guys. There you go. Nice double bottom. Okay, we're gonna check out Nasty. Just under 41 seconds here, guys. There's a support level. $12.20. You can see it's holding that level right over there. Just under 10 seconds, guys. Let's watch and see here the first 5 minutes. If we break below there, like a beautiful sell opportunity. Here we go. Here's the initial. Okay, if we hold below, guys, you can see we might get a nice little continuation back down. There it goes. GU's dumping too, guys. Okay, so let's watch and see. Beautiful sell on Nasdaq. Okay, we're going to probably fill this wick right here. Let's see if we can get that. Psychological 90. Look at that big long wick, guys. Okay, so the volume of GU is approaching. Look at this. Guys, if we break down below here, I will take a short below that 12010. Okay, let's just watch and see. Okay, a little bit fast on this one. I want to see maybe the first candle to close. Okay, so everything kind of reversed, guys. It dumped. Now you're looking for maybe a pump of liquidity. Let's watch and see how this is going to move. Let's take a peek at US. We missed it, guys. Inverse head and shoulder. We'll watch and see here. Let's see what we get on Nasdaq. Look at that beautiful buy, guys. Should have watched US 30. It's okay. Let's check it out, Nas. Okay, both are kind of running. GU's running in back in again. Okay. Guys, if I can show you my GBP chef and everything right now. This is a big move here, guys. Gold didn't move, guys. I'm not touching gold here. Remember, did you guys get that re-entry? You guys did. You guys are running about maybe 10, 12, 15 pips in here. If you guys did, watch and see. Okay, guys, big Nas dump here. Did anyone get the re-entry, guys? If you did, look to secure, okay? Look to secure that Nas trade. It's dropped about, it's dropping, guys. It's dropping 20, 25 pips. That was the re-entry down there. Don't get greedy if you guys are in on this. Please secure, guys. This is a, oh, there we go. Nice, guys. Secure when you can. This thing dumped hard. It's going to maybe reverse back up. We'll watch and see. Filled that wick and it's still dropping. You guys can see for yourself it's running about 40 pips. Okay. Beautiful. Everyone's watching US 30. Nasdaq has the same kind of moves, guys. Okay, I think that's GU maybe tapping. Let's go take a peek. That's a dump, guys. Usually they mirror each other. Look at this. And it's selling. Ooh. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, wow. She's dropping, guys, hard. That's a 70 pip move right there. That's beastly, guys. Look at this thing. Guys, I showed you the US 30 buys in the group that I took. Okay, I was in beforehand. I secured right near the top. And you can see Nasdaq is running about 100 pips. GBP Chef is also running, guys. Did anyone get the Nasdaq sells with me? I've been waiting for this kind of stuff all morning, guys. Oh, guys, there it goes. 100 pips. That's a dump and a half, guys. This is what happens on a Monday. Dunzo. Okay, guys, I will send that screenshot. Well, we sent that sell right after market open, 2 minutes right after that long wick. And I'll show you the buy that I was holding on US 30. GU just broke down too. Okay, so remember I talked about that sell, guys. Everything's looking nice, sexy sell. GBP Chef broke down too. Okay, let's go take a peek. There we go, guys. Nice, nice, nice. Did anyone hold GU? I know gold broke above, guys. Gold broke above. I think GU is still going to come down some more. Gold is at that 1738. There it goes, guys. Goldie Golf. That's it. Did anyone, guys, there was multiple trades there. GU, look at GU and gold are usually correlated, but you can see it's not likely today that it is happening. You can see GU is still selling off here, okay? Look at US 30, we were once there, and now you can see that big pump led to that retracement dump, okay? Nasdaq, ooh, guys, she's going down. Nasdaq, let's see what's happening here. Ay, ay, ay. Look at this, guys. 125 pips on the drop. Okay, she's still running. One more time, I just wanted to show you. This was a trade idea, guys, we sent in the morning. Okay? They're coming down to daily, guys. This thing's going to tap daily here. For sure. Okay. Let's see the one. GBP Chef, you can still see it drop down, guys. Running back. Okay, so secure when you can. Don't get greedy on this. Nasdaq's going right past the daily, guys. I think it will. Yeah, there it goes. It did. Look at that big impulse sell here. Let's put that on so you guys can see that move. Guys, smash the like button if you guys got any of this. Like I said, you guys are, I don't know if people are just in shock or that these things drop like this today. GU dropped, gold pumped, Nasdaq did. But if you guys got any of this, smash the like button, show some love here. You know what I mean? Those are big moves, guys. I'm not too sure if you guys understand. There might be some new people on here who don't really know how big of moves those really are. Okay, if you're having a tough day for trading, guys, it's because your impulsiveness is taking control over you and you're not waiting. Okay, you're trying to beat the market, and that doesn't usually work. You have to trade with the smart money. Okay, everything was looking towards potential sells, guys. We talked about US 30 selling too. But that is a monster sell, guys. You understand that candle alone? That's a 90 pip candle. Okay. So, let's see here. All right. Back to US 30. Right back down, guys. Okay, US 30 right back to where the original trade sell opportunity was coming to. Okay, you can still see it's holding along that trend. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it. Call was good, you know what I mean? Originally, at the beginning, it was a little slow. Okay, caught some buys and some sells on US 30. You had to be very quick. Okay, GU still dumped. Okay, you can still see it is still dumping, guys. Probably coming back down to that next level. There we go. Let's see if we can get down to the daily. From overall entry, it's still running about maybe 18 pips. Okay, but guys, if you guys got any of this, like, it's nice to know you guys got some feedback here. If I'm just trading on my own, you know what I mean, that's okay. But it's nice to always see. I don't know if many people would have caught that sell. You know, just wanted to know, guys. So gold is pushing right back down. Okay, you can see gold, heavy rejection area. And now we're going to sell off pretty hard at this current time. Guys, that gold trade would have been stopped out at break even. Okay, so if you guys were in on that, that should have been a break even trade. Okay. Okay, so secure. All right, so take a peek one more time at Nasdaq here. Okay, Nasdaq is finding a little bit of that support near the daily, guys. So you got to expect some kind of a pullback here. All right. It's hard to text when Nasdaq is rocketing. I like that answer. That's the best answer I've heard so far. So, guys, solid. Very happy with today. All right. GU, gold, everything, man. It was really good. Nasdaq was beautiful. Okay, so with that being said, guys, I'm going to call it. We're going to push for tomorrow, same time, same channel here. Okay. We're going to do the same thing, probably top down on US 30 or Nasdaq. Okay. Definitely going to look at GU. We might look at oil tomorrow. I'm not entirely sure here, but we'll update you. Okay. And we'll go from there. All right. So, guys, that being said, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate it. All right. You know, we'll resume tomorrow, and that'll be it, guys. So have a great day. Hopefully you guys banked on it. You know, enjoy your streaming if you're still going to continue it and stuff like that. But my suggestion is, guys, if you made 1 to 2%, I would walk away and then wait for it tomorrow. Okay, but that's up to you. I respect what you want to do, and I appreciate you guys just tuning in. So have a great day, guys. Much love, appreciation. Like and subscribe to the channel if you guys are new here. We go live daily, so God bless. Guys, one more thing too. There might be some new people on here. You know, I'll show you the site. Give me a sec here. If you guys want to join the team, okay, like I said, you don't need to. It's totally up to you. We got a good thing going on here. Pretty solid group. A lot of mature traders here, good for beginners and stuff like that. You can see how swing traders trade, scalping, which we do, mid intraday, different things like that. So, guys, this is what our program is. You can see 6 courses. We got some webinars and stuff like that, plus 70 lessons. Okay, it's all created from SST. There's about 5 of us who help create it, so it's pretty good. If you want to join, guys, we do have a monthly, and then you have a plan right here that you want to join for 3612. And then, guys, if you have any questions, you can just scroll through the site here. Here's our weekly trading schedule here. We do Monday through Friday, private London. On Tuesday to Thursday, we do educational. stuff. Okay, New York is obviously live. All right, then we will do some intraday scalping from depending on the time and what we have to do. So also, guys, any emails you guys have for us or any questions, get in touch with us. Give us about 12, 24, 48 hours to get in touch with you. We are pretty busy with this, so much love. All right. And then, guys, that's about it. So if you guys are interested, just like I said, go there, send us an email, do what you got to do. If not, keep tuning in for a little bit and see if it makes sense for you. Okay. Have a great day, guys. Okay. God bless you all, and we will resume tomorrow. Later.
Every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.